Hey there! Every gardener asks the same question in August. Did this actually save me money, or did I just spend $400 growing $60 worth of tomatoes? Let me walk you through the garden planner and budget, tab by tab, so you know exactly how to use it the moment you download it. Start on the instructions tab. It lays out the order, set up your garden profile, add your plants, log what you spend, then record what you harvest. And here's the nice part. The template already comes with sample plants filled in so you can see how it works. Before you type a thing, the dashboard is your garden at a glance. Name it, set your square footage, your USDA zone, your season dates, and your budget. We've got the Hollis Family Garden, 6 beds, 200 square feet, Zone 7B with a $500 budget. Everything below this updates itself as you fill in the other tabs. Plant inventory is where every plant lives. Variety, planting date, spacing, sunlight, water needs, and status. We've got 11 plantings in here. Watch the status column because seedling, growing, harvesting, and done all feed straight back to the dashboard's plant status counts. The seed and supply budget is where the honesty happens. Every seed packet, every bag of soil, every tool. Enter what you estimated and what you actually paid, and the difference column keeps you honest. Compost, we guessed 45, it costs 52. 17 purchases in and the total flows to your dashboard. The planning calendar solves the hardest part of gardening, which is timing. Enter your indoor start date or your direct sow date. Add the days to maturity, and your expected harvest date calculates itself. Tomatoes started indoors, February 21st, transplanted April 18th, 75 days to maturity. It does that math so you don't. The harvest log is the payoff. Every time you pick something, log the weight and the store price per pound. 12 harvests here, 8 pounds of zucchini in 1 week in July at $1.99 a pound. The grocery value calculates automatically and rolls up to the top. The garden bed layout tab is quietly the most useful one. What's in each bed this year, what was in it last year, and the plant family. That's crop rotation. Bed 1 had beans last year and nightshades this year, so the notes say don't plant nightshades there again next season. That's how you stop soil disease before it starts. Watering and care is a simple weekly checklist. Each bed, its frequency, and a checkbox for every day of the week. Tomatoes every other day, lettuce daily, print it, stick it on the shed door, tick it off. The Pest and Disease Log is the one you'll thank yourself for next year. Date, what was affected, what you did, and whether it worked. Hornworms on the tomatoes. June 13th, hand-picked and neem oil, resolved. Powdery mildew on the zucchini, fixed by watering at soil level. Next June, you'll know exactly what's coming. Year over year is where this stops being a spreadsheet and starts being a record. Investment, harvest weight, grocery value, and ROI across 5 seasons. Watch that ROI line go from minus 23% in year 1 to positive in year 3. That's the real story of a garden. And the grocery savings tab answers the August question. Total harvest value against total investment. Your net savings, your cost per pound versus the store's price per pound, broken down crop by crop. Basil at $16 a pound at the store is where you quietly win. That's the whole template. 11 tabs, every formula already built, works in Excel and in Google Sheets. And it's an instant download. The link is in the description below. Go find out if your garden is actually paying you back.